go. A new one for me on a bike. It's going to kill me. Oh, out, oh, out. After being in the van, and you feel a bit exposed on the bike, but it is quiet around here most of the time. Hello, sheep. Hi everybody. Just giving this a go today out on the bike. I've gone around the corner, it's killing me. Bloody cars. It's stupid talking on the camera still. But anyway, as you can see behind me, got all the sheep. Nice day. I'll see where this takes us. Not far, I'm pretty sure of that. Oh God. Oh, we can use the crows. Oh, definitely a perfect day for it. Still rather be in the van though. Morning. Plenty of sheep round here. And crows. All the lambing's underway now. Oh, nice to see a bit of sun. We're nearly there yet. Lucky enough where we live it's pretty flat here. Mind you, the slightest incline kills me. Hello, sheepses. Ugh, mud. Cool, that tractor's been here. What a stink.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left onto National Cycle Route 2.
Quarter of a mile's a long way when you're on 2 bloody miles. Morning. Why is it my legs won't let my arms steer in a straight line? It was around here some point where I tried doing that van tour. Still can't get my head around talking to a camera though. All the usual YouTubers would have gone up by this gate here on the bend, set the camera up, gone back, and you could have watched me riding my bike towards the camera and past it. But I'm afraid I'm not messing with that, because you're not stupid, are you? You know that I've just got off my bike.
Turn left onto National Cycle Route 2.
Yeah, you know I've just got off the bike, set it up, gone back. It's all false, really. Plus it's all extra work for my legs. Oh God, it's good being out.
Continue on National Cycle Route 2 for 1 mile.
What? I thought I was nearly there. Little flies all over me now. Probably think I'm a bit of a sheep doings. Oh, must be great living somewhere right in the middle of nowhere. No neighbours. Takes you back to the old days when you were on a Lambretta with that open face helmet. All the little gnats and things hitting you in the face or going down your neck. Hopefully riding around here on the bike might be a nice place to park the van up sometimes and just sit with me cuppa. If you can see that. Oh, it's nice and open here. It gives me a chance for a breather. Actually, I think this was about the same time last year when I come over here for the van tour, which didn't really happen. I'll get my head around talking to a camera one day, hopefully. Oh, peace. As I said, first time out on a bike for ages, never had a rack thing on the back. All new to me. So the bags hanging over the back of the rack. Started deciding they'd touch the wheel. Sorted for now. Nice. Very marshy around here. Now when you live round here, you end up talking to everybody even when you don't know them. Oop. Which is nice. I never lived anywhere before where everyone stops and chats with you. spent a lot of years living in towns. You should see my face then. I thought I was going to go over into the edge then.
Turn left.
So sort these bumps out.
Continue for 2 miles.
How many? Oh God. I wish I brought my big camera now. I can hear various wading birds over in the stream over there. The battery went when the heron was there, and the pheasants flew across. But oh well, that's the way it goes. On my way back, I've had enough. This saddle's starting to bite. Oh, I need a cuppa. Oh no, tractor. Tractor drivers like that talk on the phone when they're driving. I'm going all over the place now. Oh. Well, I'm hoping my microphone didn't come unplugged. I've been talking to myself earlier. So you didn't miss much. Oh yeah. Smart asses, they do it all the time. Don't hurt anybody else. So there's this ideal place for a cuppa. Oh, God. Just about squeeze in there, hopefully. Oh, this is nice. Well, find a nice little place to stop. Yuck. I dug out my old gas burning thing. Hopefully it's going to work okay. I've had it since the early 80s. I've had it in the garage. I didn't bring a spoon. Oh bugger. There's got to be a stick somewhere. Oh well. When I watch people on YouTube, they go out with their vans and they always forget something. I thought, come on, get organised. Well, I've gone and done it. Oh well. Right, there's the road over there, and path I cut through there to get in. All my bits and pieces. On like a little tiny bridge. One of the many what they call sewers around here. I don't mean all the old crap. Right, well you might be able to see them hills in the distance there, the hive. No water birds about. And then my bike, the killer. I wish I brought my other camera. There's a plane doing somersaults and bits up there. No way you could see it on this camera. Yeah, he's doing loops and twists and bits. But it was peaceful till he started, but never mind. But no, it's still great. And I found my screwdriver to stir my coffee. I'm going to finish this coffee off and then I'm going to get going. So I keep getting distracted by that plane up there. I've just noticed I've got some condensation in my camera. I don't know why, it's supposed to be waterproof. Never mind. Anyway, leave that bit of that. Well, here we go. On the way back, had me cuppa. Didn't really make the saddle feel any better, but never mind. I do go on about the saddle, don't I? Oh well. Probably one final stop on the way back. Oh, it's just so peaceful. Churches somewhere up there. Oh, that's not so easy. Up there somewhere. Aiming for. Oh, my legs. Talk about wobbly legs. All fields turning yellow. Still nothing turning over there with the wind. Anyway, not been much really, but I hope you enjoyed my day out. All the black sheep. So, oh, there's the church again. Oh, bit of not shortcut across there. There's my church landmark. Nearly home. Again, thank you everybody for joining me. I'll see you in the next one. Please like, subscribe, comment if you will. Bye for now.